Biological products generally are large, complex molecules that range in size and complexity. They include reference products, also called the original biologic, as well as biosimilars, and interchangeable biosimilar products. Biosimilars are highly similar to and have no clinically meaningful differences from an FDA-approved reference product. Biological products are made using highly complex manufacturing processes. They are generally produced in living systems such as microorganisms or animal cells using recombinant DNA technology. In general, the manufacturing process for biological products involves the following basic steps. First, a piece of DNA is inserted into a living cell, which then instructs the cell to produce a specific molecule, such as a protein, like a monoclonal antibody. Cells grow in a bioreactor. The specific molecule is secreted into the culture medium, is purified through filtration and chromatographic techniques, and filled into single containers for use, becoming the biological product. Next, the purified biological product is analyzed for structure, function, and purity. FDA requires that biosimilar products meet the agency's rigorous approval standards. That means patients and healthcare professionals will be able to rely upon the quality, safety, and effectiveness of the biosimilar, just as they would the reference product. Biosimilars are analogous to generic drugs in the sense that both products are versions of original, brand-name medicines and may offer patients more treatment options at potentially lower costs, but there are also important differences. Most generic drugs are small molecules, like aspirin, and are manufactured synthetically from chemicals. The active ingredients of generic drugs are generally smaller, simpler, and more straightforward to copy. Most biological products, however, are manufactured from living systems. Slight modifications or inherent variations to the protein are expected as a natural process of manufacturing. Each batch of reference or biosimilar product may contain a mix of many slight variations of the protein. We can compare them to jars of different colored jelly beans. For example, each protein molecule represents a different colored jelly bean, and each jar contains a mix of the proteins. The overall composition may have minor differences, but that does not affect the final product. Biosimilar manufacturers provide data to show that their products have similar variations compared to the reference products. Compared to the reference product, a biosimilar is made from the same types of living sources. They are given the same way, have the same strength and dosage, potential side effects, and expected treatment benefits as the reference product.